That is a nice cable. Cool. Next up, the Daybreak. Just plugged in the DAC, nothing changes. By default it's on eco mode. You've got play pause, oh no, that's previous play pause next. And you've got 4.4 balanced and 3.5mm. Looks really freaking cool with the see-through window. I believe this is an EPZ35 or something like that. And I guess this is also the EPZ P50, I believe. Oh my god, that's vacuumed in. We've got I'm a retard. It's sideways. Okay. That looks cool. Nice. Ooh. Wow. Damn. They do look pretty sleek. Leather case, that is wow. That's got a nice thing to it. That's cool. Nothing else inside there. Just the void. Ear tips. Oh no, okay. So that's your balance connector. So let's change this termination right now since we're not going to be using 3.5. Cool. My god, the tolerances are very tight. Okay, that's really hard to see, but inside of there's a recessed bump at the top of that. I can barely get to focus, but that little bump prevents it from fully seating flush until you line it up. So it does have a direction, which is interesting. Cool. What have we got here? Daybreak manuals, Daybreak short wide ear tips, and they even have excess. That's cool. Standard bore. I believe everyone recommends the short wides. They're supposed to be like similar to. Wow, that's nice foam. The short wides are supposed to be similar to coffee ear tips, I suppose. So I'll start with the small and then. Oopsie. Okay. So, on the flip, do we get these lined up with the right one? Okay, they've got labels on them. So they've got LR. There you go. So, where is... Oh, they don't even have L, they just have R. Okay. Very nice. Wow, that is light. It's a lot lighter than my Aria 2s, which are, well, those are metal.